In this video, I am featuring this unfinished 3-bedroom house with double garage. This one family home is under construction and will be finishing soon. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. Highly appreciate it. Encourage me to do more videos like this. This is my foundation cast and ready to start the framework. So this 3-bedroom house is American standard. So this is a different standard building from the Jamaican standard. This is American standard. So this is the framing work for our unfinished 3-bedroom house. Yeah, so if most people don't understand what American building is like, this one will give you a clear view and insight what the American building standard is like. This is just, you have other different building standard, but this is home, living, house. So it has to have a certain standard of it. The 2-1 pass and it cannot complete. Yeah, so this, after the framing, then we put on sheet up outside with a ply. With this house, they use special lumber. So they use lumber that termite and insect would not get to eat or bore easily. If this video is interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Yeah, so this is the outside construction of this. So after I finish sheeting up the outside, then we put on a next outside layer. Will make it look super beautiful. You won't even remember that it was wooden frame. But that's how it goes. That's the American standard. So as you can see, this is a pretty decent sized house. It's a one family house. Most of the time when it is 2-family house, it have an upper section at the upstairs or a second floor. So this is just 1 floor, and these guys are working pretty well fast. Within a couple of days, this building having a new look, looking different. So after they finish with the outside, cover down the outside, and inside you would have the plumber, electrician, and all of the inside work done in between the wall before they put on the inside covers. So all plumbing work, electrical work, all work that's done in between the walls will do before they cover down the walls. So we'll be going inside for you to get a view of what the inside is like.
Yeah, a quick inside tour. So this is a driveway, but you can see over the room there and your passageway and the bathroom there and the room there. 4 rooms.
This is the inside framing, ready for the plumbers and electrician to do all inside work, meaning whatever work done in between the walls with the outer and the inner part. That's the stage this building is now. So the electrician and plumber would come in and do their thing, and the relevant workman who work in between the walls get it ready to do the covering to bring this building to complete.
look by hurricane strap them I say. To your left, to your right, across. Today we are now standing on, we'll be taking a brief tour around this unfinished structure located and the address mentioned.
Now you can see the siding and the roof is complete of this 3-bedroom house. So this is the finishing look of the outside. The front is not complete as yet, but the side, the roof, and this is the back view, is basically complete. This is what the original look will be like. So we're just giving you a brief tour around the building to give you that look, what the outside finishing look is like right around the building. The front of the building hasn't complete as yet. So we are going inside the building. So this is the double garage.
Since as all wires and pipes are still exposed, to take a first hand look, alright? This is the main lock off in the garage, as you can see. This little stand here is for the water heater. And quite noticeable are these cables that have the house strapped down in the event of hurricane. That in combination with those bolts that bolt it down on the ground and the foundation. Door is not yet installed. So we enter the house through the garage, and what we have here is the washroom, and we're now looking at the schematics for the hot and cold water and drain pipes, as you can see, and we have exhaust leading all the way up to the roof, coming down there into the ground and outside through the sidewalk. Right here is your AC unit, not yet installed, pipes already in place. Come in the passageway and turn. That's the main entrance to the building. Over there is the front room. This is the bathroom, one bath. As we take our time, this is room number 2, not yet enclosed. We enter. This thing here outside, seen here, is the base or the island that will be standing in the middle of the house. I'm sorry, the island in the middle of the kitchen. And coming down this wall here is the water pipe for the refrigerator in the kitchen.
What is wrong? Nothing is wrong. Thank you all for watching. Until then, see you guys in my next video. Peace.